Hey, welcome back to Jameson's Repair Shop. Just a quick video, let people know I'm not gone altogether off YouTube. It's been a busy couple of weeks. My schedule at work has changed Tuesdays to Thursday. Still only 3 days, but now I'm working on the automotive parts desk, so it's quite a bit busier. And when I come home, I'm pretty tired. I did start on the last video I did on the Thunderbird. Let's go over there. I did the one of the floor pans. I don't think I actually have it installed then, but I have the right side floor pan installed, and I started building, if you can see it, just started building the left side right there, and I need to get it installed. So I haven't forgotten about that. That's still in play. I'm just picking away at it when I can. But right now you might notice that the garage is a little bit fuller and the wheels off this rig. Maybe you can't see that, but what's going on here with this thing is rear head gasket. So I'm not, this is not what I'm wanting to do. I'd rather be working on the Thunderbird. However, brother-in-law needs his car. It's his only transport and he has to work every day. Yeah, so he needs the car for work. Right now he's borrowed hours. He's good for a vehicle until I get this done. But these are, in my mind, pure poison for a head gasket. And I'm hoping that the head is still in good shape. So that's where I am with the, I call this kind of a shop update, I guess. Just so you guys know I'm not gone and not giving up on things. I might be giving up on things when I get, by the time this is done, we'll see. But for now, oh, there's the, right over here, there's the seat pedestal. It's all ready to go back in pretty much. Just need to get that driver's side floor pan in. And I'm just gonna swing you around and we'll take a look outside, and it's kind of a bit disappointing out there. Let's have a look. Yeah, so outside, there's still a lot of snow. It's a beautiful day though. It's sunny, but it's cool. -10, I believe, Celsius. But chairs tipped over in the fall, never got those picked up. What a mess out here. Oh my, van over there, man, I'd like to get in that and head to Arizona. Anyway, that's where I am out here. Still lots of snow. Oh, I wanted to mention on that Shelter Logic, I don't know if you can see it or not, but when I went out, we had a kind of a thaw period a few months ago. I guess it was in the fall. And it was, that inside that Shelter Logic was just sweating like crazy. And I said, well, that's no good. I bought it to keep the moisture out off the stuff. So where all the parts, the old Thunderbird parts were in there and they were getting wet. So what I did, and I fixed it, I fixed the problem. I used some home gable ends for ventilations, for your attic ventilations. I wish I could show them easily here. I might be able to see it. You'll see that white. I'll zoom in on that maybe after a bit. Maybe we can zoom in right now. I can't really see what's going on there. Yeah, you'll see on the end I put a white one. And there's one on each side, each end. And that fixed the problem. So if you have one of these and it's sweating, now, depends on how much moisture you do get, you may find that that's all you need to do. And I have one on each end the same, and the ventilation going through is perfect. No fans or anything, it's just a cross ventilation to keep that moisture down. Anyway, that's what I did there. So that's another thing, was waiting for the snow to clear so I can get some stuff done outside. Picked up a sheet of plywood yesterday. Got to do some letters for my brother's sawmill. He wants a sign built for that. The wife will be doing that on her laser. Beverly will be looking after that for my brother. Sorry. And also, my daughter had some work at her place to do, so we were doing that over the last week. She's been away, and my son and her were away on work. So it all takes time. So between 3 days of work at Canadian Tire and all the stuff I want to do, it's getting pretty hectic. And now summer's on. Well, once the snow leaves, summer will be here, and we're planning a couple of trips camping and whatnot. However, that's where it stands. I don't know if I'm going to make a video doing this head gasket job. It takes a lot of extra time to do videos. There aren't any videos I could find on replacing a head gasket in a car like this. You know, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. It doesn't look that easy, but hey, a little bit of determination and willpower, we get her done. Anyway, I'm still unsure whether I'll waste the time to do the video. However, you never know until you get into them. So that'll be determined whether there's a video or not on the head gasket. I think I just want to get it done, get it out of the shop and get back on the Thunderbird. And since most of my people that follow me are Thunderbird, they probably want me to do that too. All right, guys, that's kind of the update. I just wanted everybody to know that everything's okay, it's all good. A little bit of shift of my work schedule, but other than that, just everyday living. So everyone take care. Hopefully the prices don't keep climbing on everything like they have been. And everybody stays safe and well, and we'll see you in the next one.